All right, you are welcome again. We are still talking about limits that leads to indeterminate form. Today, let's talk about another aspect of the limit that leads to indeterminate form. So here we say if the function f of x raised to power g of x has an indeterminate form, 1 raised to power infinity or 0 raised to power 0 or infinity raised to power 0. These are indeterminate forms. So we say the following steps are to be considered when evaluating the limits. Number 1, we're going to say let y equal to f of x raised to power g of x. Number 2, we're going to take the natural logarithm on both sides. That is, we're going to say ln y is equal to g of x ln f of x. Okay, that means we're going to take the natural logarithm for the exponent or for the power to come down. Okay, then step number 3, we're going to take limit as x approaches a on both sides. That is, we're going to have lim as x approaches a ln y equal to ln as x approaches a g of x multiplied by ln f of x. Okay, so after taking the ln, we're going to evaluate the limit on the right hand side if it exists and call the result L. And then you discover that we took the natural logarithm. So here we are going to remove the natural logarithm for us to have our main function. So how can we remove the natural logarithm? We are going to take the antilog to remove the logarithm. Okay, so that means we're going to have lim as x approaches f of x raised to power g of x equal to exponential L. Okay, that is taking the natural logarithm of our result or of both sides. You get it, right? Now let's go. Let's consider these questions. Use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the limit if it exists. Lim as x approaches infinity, 1 plus 3x in bracket raised to power 1 all over 2x. So here, if we place in our value, we're going to have our function infinity all over infinity, which is what we don't want. So here we're going to say let y equal to 1 plus 3x in bracket raised to power 1 all over 2x. You get it, right? Okay, next step, we're going to take the natural logarithm on both sides. That means we're going to have ln y is equal to ln 1 plus 3x raised to power 1 all over 2x. So taking the natural logarithm, the power is going to come down. So that means we're going to have ln y is equal to 1 all over 2x ln 1 plus 3x. Let's take the limit on both sides. We're going to have lim as x approaches infinity ln y is equal to limit as x approaches infinity 1 all over 2x ln 1 plus 3x. Let's concentrate on the right hand side. So on the right hand side, we have 1 all over 2x ln 1 plus 3x. Let's multiply this. That means we're going to have lim as x approaches infinity ln 1 plus 3x all over 2x. Here, let's differentiate our numerator. If we differentiate our numerator using substitution method, that means we're going to say let 1 plus 3x be called the letter t, and then we say in t. So when we differentiate in t, it's going to give us what? 1 all over t. And then that place we say let t equal to so. We're going to have the t all over the x. So whatsoever we obtain, we take it and multiply in t. Okay, so when we do that, we're going to have 3 open bracket 1 all over 1 plus 3x all over. When we differentiate our denominator, it's going to give us 2. All right, yes. So here, if we plug in our value infinity, we are going to have equal to 0. Hello, I'm going to have 0 all over 2. So 0 all over 2 is equal to 0. So here we discover that we took the natural logarithm, which is ln, open bracket, limit as x approaches infinity, y equal to 0. Okay? And then you know that we say something, let y equal to so. So let's bring it back here. Going to have lim, open bracket, limit as x approaches infinity, y now. Our y is 1 plus 3x in bracket raised to power 1 all over 2x is equal to 0. So here now we're going to remove this lim. Initially we took the natural logarithm and we obtained this. So finally we have solved for the limit. We want to take it back to the original form. That is, we're going to take the antilog. Okay, so taking the antilog on both sides, we're going to have exponential lim, open bracket, limit as x approaches 0, 1 plus 3x, close bracket, raised to power 1 all over 2x is equal to exponential 0, or e raised to power 0. So exponential lim is going to cancel each other. So we are going to have lim as x approaches infinity, 1 plus 3x in bracket raised to power 1 all over 2x is equal to e raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to what? 1. So the evaluation of the limit, lim as x approaches infinity, 1 plus 3x raised to power 1 all over 2x is equal to 1. All right? Yes. Let's take another example.